First, I want to say thank you for the Social Forum, the Latin American Social Forum and Socialist Alliance, Australia-Venezuela Solidarity for inviting me to this presentation. This is a small presentation, but I talked about the program to the popular power and people government.
En Venezuela tenemos que hablar y coincidencialmente estamos celebrando los 200 años de la independencia.
If we're going to talk about popular power in Venezuela, one thing we have to look at, and by coincidence, is a very important issue, that this year we are celebrating 200, bicentenary, 200 years since independence.
Que en Venezuela en ese periodo se da un proceso de organización popular.
Because in Venezuela at that time, a process of organization was occurring.
Si nosotros no hubiéramos tenido la organización popular en el siglo XIX, no hubiéramos podido lograr la independencia.
If we hadn't have reached that level of popular organization back in the 19th century, we wouldn't have been able to achieve independence.
Hubo dos momentos históricos y tengo que referirme a ellos.
There were two important historic moments, and I need to refer to them.
Antes de 1810,
before 1810,
hubo una rebelión de los negros esclavos
there was a rebellion of black slaves
contra el Imperio Español.
Against the Spanish Empire.
El negro esclavo José Leonardo Chirino.
That was led by José Leonardo Chirinos, a black slave.
Hizo un levantamiento popular de los indígenas, de los negros esclavos.
And he was the leader of this popular insurrection of the black slaves.
Por supuesto, el Imperio Español en la colonia los asesinó a todos.
Of course, the Spanish Empire assassinated all of them.
Ese nombre, José Leonardo Chirino,
that name, the name of Chirinos,
fue heredado por la guerrilla venezolana.
Was then taken up by the guerrilla movement in Venezuela.
En los años 60.
In the 60s.
Que fue el Frente Guerrillero José Leonardo Chirino.
In the form of the guerrilla front José Chirinos.
Que combatió en las montañas de Venezuela.
Which fought in the mountains of Venezuela.
Posteriormente a José Leonardo Chirino hubo el levantamiento de dos venezolanos llamados Gual y España.
After the uprising of José Leonardo Chirinos, there was yet another uprising led by two people. ¿Cómo era el nombre?
Gual uno y otro España.
Gual and España.
Fueron ahorcados públicamente en Caracas.
They were publicly hanged in Caracas.
Como ejemplo de que no se podía sublevar contra el imperio.
To use as an example that it was impossible to uprise against the Spanish Empire.
Posterior a eso se organiza la Junta Patriótica en 1810.
After that, in 1810, the patriotic junta was formed.
Y se organiza para independizarnos del Imperio Español.
And it organized itself in order to lead the struggle for independence against Spain.
Y se hace la declaración de la independencia en 1810, el 19 de abril.
On the 19th of April 1810 is when the Declaration of Independence is made.
Por eso estamos celebrando el bicentenario.
That's why we are celebrating our bicentenary.
En el 2010.
This year in 2010.
Pero en 1811.
But in 1811.
Fue que se firmó la independencia.
Was when independence was finally signed.
Por la Organización Popular se firmó la independencia en el Cabildo de Caracas.
It was the popular organizations who signed the Declaration of Independence in Caracas.
Pero la independencia no se logra con firmar un papel.
But you can't achieve independence just by simply signing a bit of paper.
Tuvimos que organizar la guerra.
We had to organize the war.
Y se organizó un ejército bolivariano.
And a Bolivarian army was formed.
Y lo organizó Simón Bolívar.
And it was Simón Bolívar who organized that army.
Y ese ejército bolivariano combatió en 5 naciones.
And that Bolivarian army fought in 5 countries.
Ese ejército se formó con el pueblo venezolano.
That army was made up of the Venezuelan people.
Es un ejército que no tenía formación ni tradición militar.
It was an army that didn't have a traditional formation or military training.
Pero el talento militar de Simón Bolívar,
but the military talents of Simón Bolívar,
logró vencer a un ejército imperial,
meant that it was able to defeat an imperial army
que venía de ganar batallas en Europa.
That had won battles in Europe.
y venía con instintos asesinos porque ya habían asesinado a nuestros indígenas.
And they were led, the army that were led by assassins because they had killed our indigenous people.
Ese es el ejército bolivariano.
And that's the Bolivarian army.
200 años después,
And 200 years later,
hemos retomado de nuevo el espíritu bolivariano.
we have once again retaken up that Bolivarian spirit.
Y ese ejército bolivariano que combatió al imperio español
And that Bolivarian army that fought against the Spanish Empire
es el nuevo ejército bolivariano que tenemos actual,
is the new Bolivarian army that we have today,
que combatirá al ejército norteamericano si pisa la tierra venezolana.
which will fight against the US army if it dares to step on our territory.
Si vencimos al imperio español
If we were able to defeat the Spanish Empire
sin preparación militar,
without military training,
ahora tenemos más preparación militar
and now we have much more military training,
y hemos construido la solidaridad internacional.
and we've built international solidarity.
Este ejemplo histórico es para entender por qué la revolución bolivariana tiene un antecedente histórico.
I'm explaining this bit of the history to show that the Bolivarian Revolution has its antecedents in previous events.
Que la revolución bolivariana viene trabajando, es un proceso histórico
That the Bolivarian process is a historic process,
que no ha terminado
and that one that is not finished.
y que vamos a continuar profundizándolo en toda Latinoamérica
And it's one that we will continue to deepen throughout all of Latin America
a través de distintos mecanismos de organización.
via different mechanisms of organization.
Y la proyección de ese proceso no va a ser detenida,
And that process will not be halted or held back.
y donde estemos los miembros del proceso bolivariano estará presente la revolución bolivariana.
And wherever members of the Bolivarian Revolution are present, then so will be the Bolivarian Revolution itself.
Por ejemplo, en Australia,
For example, here in Australia,
a nivel gubernamental,
at the level of government,
hemos presionado para que el gobierno australiano se entere y se adhiera a lo que es la celebración del bicentenario.
we have been pressuring the Australian government to incorporate itself into what are the activities being organised for the bicentenary.
Los 5 países que estamos este año celebrando el bicentenario,
The 5 countries that this year are celebrating their bicentenary,
que es Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Chile, México,
which is Colombia, Venezuela, Mexico, Chile,
falta uno,
Argentina,
Argentina.
and Argentina.
Ajá. Hemos logrado que el gobierno australiano se involucre en el bicentenario.
We've been successful in pressuring the Australian government to involve itself in the bicentenary activities,
Y se dé cuenta de la importancia de lo que es la independencia.
and for them to be aware of the importance of what is independence.
Y el gobierno australiano ha donado 5 piezas de arte a los países latinoamericanos.
And the Australian government has donated 5 pieces of art to the respective countries celebrating their bicentenary.
La semana pasada el gobierno de Queensland,
Last week, the Queensland government,
a través de la Universidad de Queensland,
via the University of Queensland,
organizó un seminario latinoamericano sobre el bicentenario.
organised a Latin American seminar regarding the bicentenary.
Y fue realmente sorprendente la atención que tuvo en la universidad este seminario.
And it was pleasantly surprising the attention that this seminar received at the university.
Ahí están las muestras de los cuadros indígenas que donaron a los países,
That's a demonstration of the indigenous art that they donated to our countries,
a los distintos embajadores de los 5 países.
to the ambassadors of the different countries.
Es decir, que la revolución bolivariana camina por todo el mundo.
And what I'm trying to say here is that the Bolivarian Revolution is in march all over the world.
Y nosotros vamos a seguir promoviendo y difundiendo nuestro proyecto,
And we're going to continue to promote and spread our project,
tanto en Australia como en todos los demás países donde haya presencia de bolivarianos.
as much in Australia as in any other country where there is presence of Bolivarians.
Y no solamente donde haya venezolanos
And not just where there are Venezuelans
identificados con el proceso,
who identify with the process,
sino latinoamericanos que hayan entendido que que el proceso bolivariano no es solo de Venezuela,
but also Latin Americans who have understood that the Bolivarian Revolution is not just a process for Venezuela,
sino que es una luz que se ha presentado
but rather it is like a light that has
para
presented itself,
construir el socialismo del siglo XXI.
towards building the socialism of the 21st century.
Es la propuesta venezolana para el cambio y la lucha contra el imperio.
It's Venezuela's proposal for change and for the struggle against the empire,
Contra la globalización
against globalization,
y por la soberanía de los pueblos del mundo.
and for the sovereignty of the peoples of the world.
No es solamente para Venezuela,
It's not just a project for Venezuela.
no es hecho para los venezolanos,
It hasn't been made just for Venezuelans.
es para que desarrollemos en cada país un proceso histórico de cambio,
It's for us to be able to develop in all of our countries a process of change.
pero no lo vamos a lograr si no se organiza al pueblo,
But we won't be able to achieve this if we don't organize the people.
y eso lo sabe la Revolución Bolivariana.
And the Bolivarian Revolution knows that.
Uno de los primeros retos que presentó la Revolución Bolivariana
One of the first challenges that the Bolivarian Revolution had to face
es que llegamos al gobierno,
is that we arrived in the government. We took government,
pero no teníamos el poder.
but we didn't have power.
Llegamos al gobierno, pero dentro de un estado capitalista
We achieved government, but we're in the context of a capitalist state
que fue construido después del proceso de independencia,
that was built after the process of independence,
porque el proceso de independencia fue interrumpido con la muerte de Simón Bolívar,
because the process of independence was interrupted by the death of Simón Bolívar,
que era la creación de la Gran Colombia,
and this was the process towards building the Great Colombia.
y lo que vino fue la división en el continente,
And instead what we saw was a division of the continent.
y el proceso fue interrumpido y se crearon las oligarquías, construyeron su estado,
And this process was interrupted, and instead it was the oligarchies that constructed their states in each country.
y hasta el año 1998,
And up until 1998,
cuando llegamos al poder, al gobierno,
when we were voted into government,
encontramos un estado capitalista
we found a capitalist state,
que no lo hemos podido eliminar,
which we haven't been able to eliminate,
lo hemos combatido,
but we have fought against it.
pero es un estado que se construyó para no ayudar a la gente,
But it was a state that was built not to help the people,
donde todo reclamo popular inmediatamente es rechazado.
where all popular demands were immediately rejected.
La Revolución Bolivariana creó instrumentos para ayudar al pueblo
And this was why the Bolivarian Revolution created instruments to help the people
y para organizar al pueblo,
and to organize the people.
que fueron las misiones sociales.
Then these were the social missions.